everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify ka every time meron tayong bagong uploads. So ngayon, dito sa video na ito, matututunan mo kung paano mag-remove ng background sa picture mo. Alright, so ang kailangan mo lang is yung laptop, okay, laptop, desktop. Unfortunately, hindi siya pwede sa phone. And also, kailangan mo ng internet connection. Okay? Online natin itong gagawin at mabilis lang ito. Alright? So, ang kailangan natin is pumunta tayo sa website ng Pixlr. Pixlr.com/editor. Okay, and you will be redirected to this. Alright. Kung wala ka pang flash player, ganito ang lalabas. Okay? You'll need flash player to run Pixlr editor. To enable flash, please click here. So, i-click ko lang siya. Na-click ko na kasi yan a while ago. So, diretso na ako dito. And start by opening image from computer. Pili lang tayo ng picture na may solid na background. Alright? So, example, ito yung background ko is green. Okay. And then, make sure na i-unlock mo tong layer. Double click to unlock layer. Alright? So, dapat i-unlock mo yan. And, the next step is ito. I-click mo yung wand tool. Okay? Magic wand. Parang magic wand siya. And pag-click mo niyan, hindi na arrow makikita mo, kundi yung magic wand na. And then, i-click ko yung shift. Okay, meron notification na naman. Ayan, close mo na. Okay, i-click mo yung shift sa keyboard mo. And then, wag mong i-let go. And then, i-click mo while also pressing the shift key. Okay? So, ganyan ang mangyayari. Kailangan mawala itong mga linya na ito. Okay? Kailangan mo. Huwag mo talagang i-let go. Kasi nung una, yun ang nangyari sa akin. I click and then let go. Click and let go. So, mali. Kaya nag-struggle ako. Ngayon, alam ko na. Then, I'm happy to share it with you guys. And thank you for watching this video. Again, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay? Klase-klase lang ng videos natin ngayon. Okay, but I'm trying to help you with this. Removing the background. Pagkatapos niyan, pwede mo nang cut yan lahat. So, ang gagawin mo lang is i-press yung delete key. Okay? Delete key. Ayun. So, that's the picture now. And, ganyan na siya. Wala nang background yung picture mo. All you have to do is to save it. Save mo lang siya. And, you can rename. Okay? Floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. And then, dito, ang format pwedeng PNG, PMP, TIFF, PIXD. Alright? So, dito, ang pinakamaganda is piliin mo yung PNG. And, i-click mo lang yung OK. And, depende, hanap ka kung saan mo ilalagay yun. Okay, let's have downloads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see kung na-save nga natin. Right, let's see. Punta tayo sa downloads. And hanapin natin yung lures PN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. LMNOP. Okay, so eto na siya. Ito na siya. Ito. Yan. Okay, so ito. Andito na ang ating picture na walang background. So, I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa easy tutorial kung paano i-remove yung background ng iyong picture. Alright, thank you so much. And please like this video kung nakatulong ito sa iyo and subscribe and get notified. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.